Kiumbe gya Kenya Teachers College Sports Association gyakyakala bene kigosoli asegeti kya Kisii University. Kigosoli kyoniga kira kikwaliganibwa mu college ya Asumbi Teachers College kurwa asorongo rwa Nyanza. Igo kire kirkuseni go kire college ange isano na isato asebego kira kikweneke ase abagosoli ange kimikenda. Kigosoli kyonigo kira kikoira amatukatato asobubi kurwa Kenya. Ikobara chikogosoli hamone chikole chikorwa sorongorwa East Africa echo chirache koba sense ya Tanzania ulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na roboti rwa senchira yobikira
Chikole chichonsi echi chikosomya obwalimu ase Kenya nandi chibwate kiombe kyabo gekoro ku Kenya Teachers College Sports Association KTCSA ngyachakalero chikosoli kyabo asegeti kya Kisii University ekyoge kobangwa na college ya Asumbi TTC.
Let me note that we are assembled here as 8 region. We have a very new region, northeastern region, which has a secretary by the name Abdi, and the chairman is the principal Garissa TTC. We are happy to have them. We used to be only 7 region, but now we are full house. We are 8 region.
Abagosoli niko bale ange chimya kyanda na chikosoli ekyo niko chire ao egati yabo na maminyoko utuma ebichararo kuruta amatimo amona echinde.
We have close to 900 participants from our 9 regions participating, and I'm glad to note that the theme for this year's championship, we have continued to run it from all the way from last March, nurturing competent and innovative teachers through games and sports. We opened our championship. The team started congregating here from 24th of May. The championship is being hosted at Asumbi Teachers Training College, Nyanza region, and we are glad that Kisii University accepted to play host to us, and we appreciate the management of Kisii University for according us an opportunity to participate in these events.
Balia batari korona barabuti batigiri maega egekogera na barabu mbanyara okora chikosoli cyo kumenyokania.
Linetolos Olos Nairobi region kindly.
Duncan Makumba ne represent yabo na nikata babuna ase omwako yega mbamendete egosoli yoko ngusana enkoli.
Introduce tug of war as part of the association's strategy of unloading new games to expose our teacher trainees to more new games, to engage them and involve them in a number of games. And it is very exciting, involving also those students who may not be gifted in running or in the field events. They can also invoke their prowess through tug of war.
Egosoli yo kuminyoka 10,000 meters aseba subati nigo yaera na omobwi nigo arwa kurwa Eastern region na nigo abano mogoko.
And I'm grateful. My winning has been brought through easy work. I have been disciplined, passion. I've been training every time now and then when I am free. And actually I'm happy.
Namba ibere Rona Kemboi nigo abano mogoko no nyatanya gukora amazoezi.
Mimi nasema asante, mimi sina cha kusema tu. Mimi nimefurahi. Singechoka kama ningaifika hapa tu. Nilikuwa nasikianga tu stadium but mimi sijaiona. Mimi naonanga tu kwa TV wapi, but for now nimeona face to face. I'm happy. And then ndio kushukuru walimu wangu kwa sababu ndio to practice hata. Since hata sikuwa nafanyanga practice, but I'm late to be here for my level because nimechikaza mimi mwenyewe.
Abanyangongo niko bara chikokosoli amona chiti muchinde kurwa East Africa echo chirabe ense ya Tanzania Morogoro.
So therefore we want to move, and this year we have planned that at least in August we should be able to go to Morogoro and play the East African college games with any colleges that are found in Tanzania.
Kulipotere Getembe Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.